Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to change this one into the limit. So I approach to positive infinity and we have the integration from 0 to a. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 2x plus 1. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. First derivative of number 1, this is about the constant, so you got about 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Now we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, so we put number 0 go on here. So we have u equals to number 1. When x equals to a, so we put a in here. And then we have u equal to 2a plus 1. So this one we change by u. The x we change by the u over number 2. Number 0 we change by number 1. A we change by 2a plus 1. So this one we have u to the power of negative number 3. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. And we put the bounds from number 1 to 2a plus 1. This one we have negative number 2, negative number 2. So we can put into 1 over negative 2 u to the power of 2. And now we can put the bounds going here and here. So this one we have 1 over 2. So when I approach to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity, but we have negative number 2, so that's about negative infinity. But 1 divided by negative infinity, you got about 0. So this one in here, you got about 0. We simplify and we have 1 over 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.